All right, chefs, we've been doing this for 2 songs, 7 minutes, however you counted it. And I wanna show you how beautiful and what you should be looking for to know that you were ready, that you needed enough. So check it out. When my dough is looking really smooth and when I kind of like stretch it, it still maintains that smooth surface. That means that it's ready to go rise, okay? So what I'm going to do is use the same bowl because we don't need to get another bowl. And we're gonna put about a tablespoon of oil in here because that oil is going to cover our dough and make sure that it's nice and elastic. So I'm just gonna kind of spread this a little bit here. I put my dough in there, I coat it, nice and shiny. And let's get a clean kitchen towel, cover it up, and we're gonna put this in a warm place for the yeast to be working and rising the dough. So as I said before, today my kitchen is not so warm, so what I'm gonna do is, remember when we turned on the light in here? And just to give it the right environment, that's what I'm doing. I'm putting in the oven. The oven is off. The only thing on is the light. And we're gonna leave it there until it doubles in size, okay? And for some of you, it might take 30 minutes. Some of you may take 45 minutes. There's a lot of other things that we can be doing while the dough is rising, okay? And I meet you back here.